What's the meaning of breath? Breath. Breath.
Breath. Breath. The term breath refers to the process of inhaling and exhaling air through the lungs. This is a vital function of the human body and is required to sustain life. When we inhale, oxygen enters the body and is transported to the cells through the bloodstream. When we exhale, carbon dioxide is expelled from the body. The act of breathing also plays a significant role in regulating blood pH and maintaining homeostasis. Additionally, deep breathing techniques can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. In short, breath is an essential physiological process that supports our overall health and well-being.